Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the place launch text effect in CapCut PC. So it's super simple. First I'm going to add the black screen to the tray, right? Now I'm just going to add text, just click text, all text, and I'm just going to just for the rest of the assembling, and I'm going to change for text. Can change for font style, change for the color. Right, so you can select the clips, right click and select create compound clip. Alright, go to effect and select the place bounce. So this is raw effect, add to track, and here we go. This is the file that I have on the video, right? But this is perfect. You have to join Pro first to be able to use this effect. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.